What's up, guys? Welcome to all of my new subscribers and new viewers, and welcome back to all of my old bomb-ass subscriber squad. Y'all, do y'all know what today is? Do y'all know what we unboxing today? I don't think y'all do. This is my favorite box every single month. Can you guys guess? I'll give you a minute. Long enough. It is the LashyBox, guys. Y'all know that I absolutely adore this box. This is my favorite box, and this is September's box. And I can't believe we're in September already, y'all. That is crazy. Time is just, whew, I wish it slowed down just a little bit. But if you guys want to see what I have inside of my LashyBox for this month, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing today. Okay, so y'all know what today is. This is my favorite box. We're going to be unboxing this LashyBox. Just a quick little few updates. First off, all of my giveaway winners, your packages will be out next week. I'm excited about that. I've been working, trying to pack and make sure I give things that you guys would each personally appreciate. Also, I think that's all the updates I have, actually. Yeah. Also, guys, I have a new subscription box for this month. I'm hoping it arrives really soon so that I can show you guys. I did end up canceling Medusa's box, and I'm not sure what other box I'm going to cancel. It's just depending on the rest of the month, I guess. So guys, without further ado, let's get on into this unboxing. For you guys that do not know, LashyBox is a $13.99 monthly beauty and eyelash subscription. You get 4 premium lashes and some beauty tools, makeup. It's all kind of little goodies that they give you for $13.99 a month, which I absolutely, oh, y'all know I love this box. Also, there's the LashyBox Mini, that's $9.99 per month, and there is the Drama Box, which is $13.99 per month. I will leave the link down below just in case you wanted to check them out or subscribe. You can just press the link and go on and do your thing. So guys, let's get into this unboxing. Every month it comes like this with the little eyelashes and a wink on the top. I just love this box. I just got it in the mail, so I'm gonna open it right now. All right, guys, y'all ready? I just love that sound, I swear. And this is what it looks like on the inside of the box, guys. Y'all know LashyBox does not come with the cord, which I really don't care because I just love this box. It doesn't matter. But I did research some of these products, and I will have some prices on the bottom of the screen. I would try to do a grand total towards the end if I'm able to find all of the prices. There was a couple of things I could not find, but we're gonna hope for the best, right? Yes. So let's dig right on in. Up first, right on top is a little beauty tool. This is why I love LashyBox. Already starting off good for $13.99 a month with this little tool. So let's open this baby up and see what it is. It looks like an eyelash curler. Ooh, and it's got a little weight to it. This is nice, guys. Look at that. This is the LashyBox eyelash curler. Now, y'all, I'm very intimidated by these things. I'm so scared that I smash my eyes or make myself bleed with this. It's just so intimidating for me, but I will start trying to practice and use it. But I tell you what, it is very, very nice. Oh my goodness, I love that. So if you want these nice curl lashes, you just put it on your lash and press, but I'm so scared to do that. Woo. Up next, we have from Ruby Made Cosmetics, this liquid liner right here. Let's see, I think it's in the shade black. Is it black? It doesn't say, but I'm gonna assume that it is black, guys, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like. I will not open it because I already have a lot of liners. I may put this in a giveaway or I may use it later, but I do like Ruby May's eyeliner, so yes, this is good. We also got from Mermaid Scales this glitter here. It's beautiful, y'all. It's my favorite color, purple. Don't you just love that? This is absolutely gorgeous. Now, y'all know that I don't do the loose glitters, so I'll either put this in a giveaway or give this to my niece, but this is gorgeous. And I did get the price off of this one, guys. It is $7.99 for this glitter. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Now to the good part. the lashes. Woo, girl. First up from LashyBox, we have these beautiful lashes in the style Allure. These are the 3D silk lashes, Allure, and they are absolutely divine. Look at that, guys. Look how wispy and full and dramatic that they look. These are my type of lashes. Love these. Beautiful. Then we have some more natural looking lashes. This is also from LashyBox. These are in the style Lucky, and these are more natural looking. They're still quite full looking, but more on the natural side for me. I do like these as well. I think I'm gonna put these in a giveaway though, but I do love them. They are gorgeous, guys. We have two more. Oh, now these are, ooh, I love the packaging of these. Ooh, so these are from PRINCESA or PRINCESA. I'm not sure how to say that. PRINCESA Cosmetics. These lashes here in the style Extra AF, which I am, and the packaging is gorgeous. I'm gonna take it out so that we can see what they really look like, if they're really Extra AF, right? These are what they are looking like, guys. Beautiful, full. They have that cat eye sexy look going on. Yes, I could definitely wear these for Halloween. Girl, y'all know I love Halloween. It's next month, it's coming quick. Y'all have to give me costume ideas. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think I should be for Halloween this year. Y'all know I like dark, goth, sexy. So I'm gonna give y'all 3 little clues. So help me out, okay? But these are gorgeous, guys. Beautiful lashes. And last up, we have from ATHENA lashes. These lashes here in the style CAMILLA. And they are absolutely gorgeous, guys. I absolutely love these. Let's take them out. And on the back it says, lashes speaks louder than words. I love that. These are also on the natural side, guys. These are very pretty. They're nice and natural. I could definitely wear these for work. They do have the short to long. No, well, I guess it's short on the ends and longer in the middle, which gives for a more dramatic eye, like in the center, which y'all know I live for. But I could definitely wear these to work. These are nice, yeah. All right, LashyBox, baby, I see you. Y'all see this? $13.99. Y'all need to let me know what y'all think in these comments. I mean, really. Okay, guys, so that was my final product in the box. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, rate this box, and we'll be done. So we received from LashyBox this eyelash curler here. From Mermaid Scales, this beautiful purple glitter here. From Ruby May Cosmetics, this black eyeliner. From Princesa lashes, these Extra AF lashes. From ATHENA Lash, I have it backwards, sorry guys. These lashes here in the style Camellia. Oops, 2 more. And from LashyBox, we have the style Allure, which is this one here, and Lucky right there. So 2, 4, 6, 7 products for this month, y'all. 7 products. So I really don't even need to go into details on final thoughts because y'all already know this box is like my favorite every month. I absolutely adore this subscription. I love it. This box always gets me because I used to spend a lot of money on lashes, guys, but since I got this subscription, I mean, there's still lashes I haven't even used yet. So this is definitely worth my money. I absolutely love this subscription. If y'all want to check them out, I will put the link down below. Go ahead and check them out. Get you some bomb ass lashes, y'all. They will not disappoint, I promise you. So if I had to rate this on a scale of 1 being this box is trash, throw it to the wolves, to 5 being this box is the bomb.com, girl, it's on fire. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. It's a 5, 5, and 5. I absolutely love this subscription, guys. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about this box. And this subscription, this is definitely one I'm gonna keep. I have to keep the subscription, y'all. I have to. I just absolutely have to. But let me know in the comments down below if you're subscribed to LashyBox or if you want to subscribe to LashyBox. Also, if you do not follow me on social media, all of my links are down below. I am most active on Instagram. If you like this video, please guys give it a big thumbs up for me. I would greatly appreciate it. If you're not subscribed to the Bomb Ass Subscriber Squad, I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but you need to come on and join the family. We want you over here. We welcome you. We love you over here. Trust me, my subscribers are so bomb ass. Y'all better ask somebody. So guys, that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. It's Friday. Go get you a daiquiri. Go get you some wine, liquor, whatever. Kick back, enjoy your weekend, and watch my videos. Y'all, I know I'm so crazy. I know, but I love you guys so much. Until next time and next video, you guys be blessed. Let me fix my hair, girl. So much love. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe.